Naomi Home presents the Tufted split-back futon sofa bed assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This futon comes as shown with linen fabric and sturdy chrome legs. To get started, connect the middle legs in between the left and right base with 2 bolts on each. Attach the front legs by using 3 bolts on each leg. Make sure the legs are facing outwards towards the front. Now, hand tighten the rear legs by turning clockwise. Finally, pull up the back rest until it clicks in place. Push forward and gently place down to convert into a bed. And there you have it, your Tufted split-back futon sofa bed is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.